look at that. Hey, that'll work. I don't think I got these as good as maybe I thought I did. Let's get them out anyways. Oh, you definitely need to go to Saul. So you... Much better. There we go. Come on. Come on. Get about these. Come on. Let's see how we did. Let's got a trainer gallery. Flappy. Ooh, a little double banger here. Okay. Okay, cool. Cool, cool. They're mint too. Let's go. Oh, hey. Oh, we got a radiant card. Okay. Okay. Man, opening these sword shield. Opening the sword shield stuff is always a throwback. Oh, that's another successful day of Pokemon Roulette.